Hello, good morning. Today's topic is network security. Introduction. Computer security means collection of tools designed to protect data. Objective of computer security, preserving the integrity, availability, and confidentiality of system resources. Network security measures to protect data during their transmission. Network security consists of the provision and policy adopted by network administrator to prevent and monitor unauthorized access, misuse, modification. Internet security means to protect data during transmission over a network. Cryptography is the science of writing secret code so that no other person can encode this. Security goals. There are three types of security goals: confidentiality, integrity, availability. Confidentiality covers two types of concept: data confidentiality, privacy. Data confidentiality assures that private or confidential information is not made available or disclosed to unauthorized individuals. Privacy assures that individual control or influence what information related to them may be collected and stored, and by whom and to whom that information may be disclosed. Integrity means there is no change in the data. Integrity also covers two related concepts: data integrity and system integrity. Data integrity assures that information and programs are changed only in a specified and authorized manner. System integrity assures that a system performs its intended function in an unimpaired manner, free from deliberate or inadvertent unauthorized manipulation of the system. Availability assures that system work promptly and service is not denied to authorized users, ensuring timely and reliable access to and use of information. A loss of availability is the disruption of access to or use of information or an information system. These three concepts from what is often referred to as CIA tribe. Security attacks. Now we discuss security attack. Security attacks. Attack means any action that compromise the security of information owned by an organization. Attacks are two types: active attack and passive attack. Active attacks involve some modification of the data stream or the creation of a false stream, and can be subdivided into four categories: masquerade, replay, modification of message, and denial of service. Passive attacks to learn or make use of information from the system but does not affect system resources. Now we discuss one by one active attacks. Masquerade takes place when one entity pretends to be a different entity. A masquerade attack usually includes one of the other forms of active attack. For example, authentication sequences can be captured and replayed after a valid authentication sequence has taken place, thus enabling an authorized entity with few privileges to obtain extra privileges by impersonating an entity that has those privileges. Replay involves the passive capture of a data unit and its subsequent retransmission to produce an unauthorized effect. Modification of messages simply means that some portion of a legitimate message is altered or that message are delayed or reordered to produce an unauthorized effect. For example, a message meaning allow John Smith to read confidential file accounts is modified to mean allow Fred Brown to read confidential file accounts. The denial of service prevents or inhibits the normal use of management of communication facilities. This attack may have a specified target. For example, an entity may suppress all messages directed to a particular destination. Another form of service denial is the disruption of an entire network, either by disabling the network or by overloading it with a message so as to degrade performance. This diagram showing the active and passive attacks. Diagram is showing the passive attacks. Here is Bob is the source computer and Alice is the destination computer. Bob is sending some data over the internet, but Darth is observing what is the message sent by the Bob to allies. Another attack in V diagram, Bob is sent the message over the internet to allies. Dart capture the message in and after changing after some changes in message, Dart send the message to allies. This type of attack is called the active attacks. Thank you.